So here it is, the Valorant game on a Huawei MateBook 13. So I'm waiting for a start ng match. So this is it. By the way, I'm using a gaming mouse for good gameplay. Actually, it's much better if you are using a separate or external gaming keyboard, because of this keyboard might damage if you're playing too much. So it's better to have your mechanical gaming keyboard to play.
Select your agent.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to select my agent. I'll choose this guy. Okay. In.
I'm an old dog.
All right.
I'll show him just how many tricks
This
I
is
know.
it, guys. The Valorant game on a Huawei MateBook 13. So ayan. Tayo. Grabe. Ayan, nakuha na yung spike ko. Okay, re-recording tayo ulit for another Valorant game. So ito na. Load na natin. Sana successful ang ating pag-record nitong game. So, okay. So maglalagin ulit ako.
Enemy spotted.
Teka na, dalam na lang kami.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Oh my god! Sobrang liit kasi nito target.
Stand tall. We are Valorant. We are fighters.
Ay. Kaya kasi pag namatay na silang lahat sila nanonood ng aking game. Kasi ako yung last na minimum. Oh my god. So nag-spot ako kanina dito. Hindi, sumurit bantayan dito. Kasi susugod sila dito eh.
Mix things up.
We turn to dust.
Yun!
Down you go.
Enemy spotted.
Spike planted.
The tower.
Enemy.
Enemy
Kalaban ko dito.
Last player standing.
Let's get these idiots.
Oh, meron pa? Bakit? Daming lima. Wala ba nakatapusan? Is this best of 20 ba? Or... my god, naman. Tawag pala yun.
I will not lose my home again.
Go, 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 go.
Careful. Enemy spotted. Enemy here. Careful. Enemy spotted. Spike spotted.
Last player standing.
Who trained you?
One enemy remaining.
Not so tough after all.
I'm the hero.
Let's pull them over.
Nangyari. Game.
Reloading.
Saan na agad yung game?
You better
Hide, old man.
May technique na. Nakita ko na yung pattern. So, mas maganda, sigurin mo sila kasi sa other way sila dadaan. Pag umikot ka, pwede mo sila machambaan sa likod. Top na sila. Pero kanina yun, nakamukha mo, no? Matagal ko siya nakaharap doon.
Here.
Ito lang siya nabaril kasi nagpapanik.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Ay, kaya naghaba ng game na to. Ano ba to? Ito ay ano ba? Tapusan? 8 months of streaming eh. Yeah, it's very nice. I need to leave this game. Pero one more game for that.
Last player standing.
Okay, paano magmamit ng live?
Out of charges.
Okay, dito tayo.